this video. Today we are going to be installing parts for my bike. It's from TST Industries. Let's go! Right, now that wasn't the only thing that we were gonna install. We've got some turn signals here as well to get rid of these things. It'll be great to get rid of those, finally. Now originally I was gonna do some kind of LED strip right here that did the Audi. I like to think of it as an Audi blinker where it goes rit, rit, right? But I don't see how I'm gonna be able to do that this season. I don't want to tinker with it as of right now. Right now I want to ride. So maybe next season, who knows. But for now, we've got some new blinkers. So I decided to go with the TST flush mounts. I think they will look great on this bike. I also did buy the quick connectors, bullet to OEM harness converter, just for ease of use. You know, as if you've seen my install of that taillight right there, then you know that that did not have OEM plugs, and I had to just, you know, kind of tape it. I don't know if you can see that, but I had to kind of tape them to keep them in place. But with this, I've got OEM connectors, so it should be a little bit better. I probably should have bought some for the back as well, but these seem to work just fine, so I don't know. As usual, I will be watching the TST Industries video on how to do this. You don't have to be a mechanic to do this, that's why you've got tutorials like this. Also use something to have your bolts in so that you don't lose them. Very, very clever. Alright, great, that was the one side. Now let's time-lapse the other one. Alright, that is all I had for you today. As if you heard some sneezing, then it's because I'm allergic to pollen. So I'm sorry if you heard a lot of that during the installation. Now I'm going to go to Monster Bike to test ride some bikes, because they've got some demo days. Look forward to that. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, everything like that, thank you.